I am Mohammad Isan from UET Faisalabad campus, Department of Electrical Engineering. Today, my discussion topic is era-changing technologies. There are the four technologies that have been found in the history that has made a very great change in the world. One of the top is the invention of petrol engine, and the second one is electricity, and the third one is internet that we are using now in our smartphones, and the fourth one that is coming is artificial intelligence. And first of all, the steam engine were made. They were in a very heavy weight, and they were having a very low power, and those were made by Sir Edwin Hawking. And after this, a man named George Stephen, he made petrol engine, and petrol engine were in a very low weight, and they were easy to travel, and they were easy to maintain in a body of a vehicle. Then electricity were found. Electricity is a form of energy that can be converted into any other form of energy. First of all, Michael Faraday gave the concept of electricity. Electricity has changed a very large number of applications in our life, and some of the things that were not done by in a little coverage, that were not done by our petrol engine, those were done by electricity. And the DC current, that is a type of electricity, was made by uh, Edison, who made an electric bulb also. And the electricity that we are using in our house were made by Nikola Tesla. He was a very famous scientist, and we are very well knowing about electricity today. And I think there is a no part of world where there is no electricity. I think at every part of electricity where there is the living of human is electricity. And internet, first of all, the USA Army thought that there should be a network to communicate between their computers, and they have a project, and they made an internet, but that was not for the usage of a common man. That was for the only their department, and especially for their army and CIA and their other agencies. In 1980, that was firstly for the education purpose uh, launched, and then by the passage of time, it was in the use of a common man. And we know that internet has finished the travels and finished the long distances. Internet has made a great change in our life, and internet has changed our life. and and the new coming thing that would be after the 2050, that would be artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence means that software would think about for us, as like human think. Software will also think, machine will also think, machine will have their own brain. Today we know that our computer have its own brain, but he can't do something special like human brain. That is the brain of machine. We are in a way that we can give a machine a human brain. We are in a way to give a machine to a human brain, and that is the artificial intelligence. And China has a great part in artificial intelligence. He is working on it as US Army worked on internet. China is working on in artificial intelligence, and I think there would be a name of China in future in artificial intelligence. And thank you so much.